Hello guys, it's me, Dutch Lockpicker. Hello. Here we got a 6-pin SES with a funny wiggle keyway. And it has some spools. And I think something serrated or a barrel. But I cannot got this one because this one is shrinked. But I'm just telling you what I feel. I'm not seeing this one on the LPO Belt Explorer. I don't know. Click on 5, 6. 4. 5 again. 6 I mean. 5 is set. 4 is set I think. 3 is set. 3 is set. I think I set something or not fully picked. Just checking something on the back. Felt some clicks again. That was number 2. That felt good. I think 3 is set. So if I set something here, and the back will drop. When I set something at the back and something at the front will drop back. Good click on 1. 2 set. I think something with 3. And we got it picked. So I think that was a spool. I mean a barrel, because it didn't felt in the false set. But I had to pick it the last little one, the last serration. So it could be a barrel or serrated one or a spool and just on the top that it's stuck there. So it was a little bit of playing. Then I find out it was just with some high and low pins, and then with a combination of a serrated pin and a spool, standard, and then a good combination. We'll have some fun. So this one is going on the video. You see it got a cool profile. And now I see this on the video. I do think I saw it on the LPU belt. Let me check. Let me check. No, it's not exactly the same. else I see? There's no picture. Definitely not the same. And it's definitely not the same. This is like a Aiel. This is no, this is definitely not the same. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not going to cut it because those are shrinked. So maybe I will do it when I'm going to cut it in half. And maybe I'm going to share. Then yeah, then I will cut it. For now, I will not. And thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video, guys and girls. Bye bye later.